Fed up with your fantasy team's constant defeats and want to escape the misery of your league? I'm here to show you the quick and easy way to leave any league on Fantasy Premier League. First, open the Fantasy Premier League app on your phone or go to the Fantasy Premier League website on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account. Next, navigate to the Leagues and Cups tab. This is usually located at the bottom of the app screen or on the left-hand side of the website. Here, you'll see a list of all the leagues you're currently participating in. Find the specific league you wish to leave. Scroll down to the very bottom of the league page. You should see a button labeled Leave League. Tap or click on Leave League. A confirmation pop-up will appear, asking if you're sure you want to leave. Confirm your decision. And just like that, you're out. The league will no longer appear in your list of leagues. You're free to find a new, hopefully more successful, league